Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to cut a simple blouse. So this material is leftover material. I have almost 2 years here. After folding it to 2, I have 34 inches. I fold this way and I leave 2 inches on the back for zip. So I'm going to mark these 2 inches for zip. After marking for zip on the back, I will measure half length, placing my tape on top here, which is the shoulder. Down here, half length is 16 inches, which is here. And I'm going to add 1 inch to sew. I will use half inch to sew on the waist and half inch to sew on the shoulder. So I add 1 inch. I have 17 inches. I'm going to cut the shoulder and the sleeve together, which is here. I have 16 inches, but I'm going to fold with 2 inches this way. So this 2 inches, I fold this place 2 inches. So I have 14 inches here. Placing my tape on top here, I will measure 10 inches. Like this. Then I will measure for bust. Bust is 44 inches divided by 4 is 11 inches. This is my 11 inches plus 1 inch to sew. So I'm going to curve here, just here. I curve this place. Waist is 36 inches divided by 4 is 9 inches. This is my 9 inches. I will add 2 inches. Then I have 11 inches because I'm going to add that on the waist and plus the remaining one to sew. So I have 11 inches. So I will mark this way. So I'm going to cut here and here. I'm going to measure neckline 3 inches on the neckline. Then I will use half inch to cut for the back neck like this. For the front neck, placing my tape on top here, which is shoulder, I will measure 4.5 inches and mark like that. It's a very simple one. So I will cut this way. I will notch here and I will notch the waist in for the back zip. Then I will measure where I will sew that on, which is 4.5 inches. I measure from center to this place 4.5 inches. I will notch. This is where I will sew that on, like this. I will sew that. I will measure 6 inches. I will sew from here, very tiny from here. It's into 4 and I fold a triangle shape. I'm going to sew flared on the waist. Waist is 36 inches divided by 4. I'm going to measure from the tip here up to here to get my 36 inches, which I will sew on this part on the waist. I would need 10 inches to sew here. I need on the front 26 inches. On the back, I will make the back longer than the front. So this is the back, which I will also sew zip on. This is the back and this is the front. So I will make the front shorter and the back longer. So I'm going to first measure to get my 36 inches. If it's more than 36 inches, no problem. I will make pleats on the waist. So I will place my tape here on the tip and measure 15 inches. I will measure 15 inches. I will continue like this with my tape on the tip, 15 inches. Then I will mark like that. So let me see if I can get my 36 inches, which is more than enough. This is my 36 inches, which is 9 inches. From here to here is 9 inches, and I have this extra. I will plait this extra on the waist. So then after measuring that, I will place my 16 inches where I mark this very place, which is the waist. I will place 16 inches here. Remember, half length is 16 inches. This is the top, which is this one, the 16 inches. I will remove this 16 inches from this one and measure from here to here. I have 27 inches, which is enough. I need like 25 or 26 inches. So I will use half inch to sew on the waist and half inch to hem the bottom. I will continue with my 27 inches on the front. 27 inches. 27 inches. And 27 inches. Mark this way. So I'll cut. Remember, this place is not cut, which is the front is not cut. It's only the back that is cut, because I'm going to sew zip here. I notch the center for the front and for the back. So I'm going to cut the front here. So as you can see, this is the front. This is the front. So I'm going to continue with the back now. I will measure the back, removing 16 inches. Then I have 35 inches. I will continue getting to the center. I will reduce the measurement to fit with this one, with the side of the front. So I'm going to cut the same with the front and the back for the side, which is 27 inches. And coming here, I will measure 30 inches. I will measure 32 inches. And here, I will measure 35 inches. I'm going to cut like this. So this is the side, this is the back, the front. I will open this way so you can see the way it is. This is the front and this is the back. I'm going to cut the turning of the neck. I'm going to sew for the neck here. I'm going to sew. I will hem this edge and I will sew here. I will do the same on the back. After doing that, I will join the shoulder. I'm done turning the neck. This is the front neck, this is the back neck, and I join the shoulder on one side. I will do the same here, and I hem the bottom of the flared, the down part. I'm going to join the second shoulder. Just want to show you how I join the shoulder. This is the front shoulder and this is the back shoulder. I will bring this the neck for the back and front neck. So the one I use it turning, I will bring it this way to the side of the back neck, to the shoulder like this way. This is the shoulder stroke the sleeve, and this is the turning for the back neck, and this is the turning for the front neck. So it comes this way. I will sew here down. After sewing, I will add that on it. I'm done joining the shoulder. I iron the round sleeve with 2 inches, so I'm going to hem. I'm going to sew here like this here, just like the way I'm done sewing here. This is the round sleeve, and after sewing I bring it this way. You can see the way it is. I place on top like this and stitch down on the shoulder through the sleeve. I stitch down. This is the round sleeve. So after finish doing the second side, I've already sewed that on it. So after finish sewing the other side, I will join the 2 sides. I will measure 9 inches on the round sleeve, and I will sew here. I will measure bust and waist. I will sew here. I will do the same on this side before I will join the flared on the waist. I'm done hemming the round sleeve. I sew here with 2 inches. This is the shoulder. Then I fold this way with 1 inch. This is 1 inch. Then I will sew here. I will sew here down, just like this place, just like this place. So I'm done joining this side. I'm done joining this side. After sewing this place down with 1 inch here, I will bring this way. I will sew from the round sleeve. I will measure 9 inches for the round sleeve. I will sew, I will measure bust, and I will measure waist down. After doing that, I will sew this flared on the waist in sew zip. I'm done joining the 2 sides. Yeah, this is the round sleeve. This is where my hand will come out from, this place. So I'm going to sew the flared. There's the back, the side, the front, the side, and the back. So I'll start from the back here, place here. I will sew this way. I will plait the remaining one here. I will plait the remaining one on the waist of the top like that. So when I'm done, I'll sew zip and I will show you the final look. I'm done joining the flared on the waist, and I sew kiss plaint here, and also on the back, and I sew the back flared, and I leave about 4 inches here to sew zip from here to here, and I have my zip here. I'm going to sew zip on the back, and I don't have the matching color at home, so then I'm going to use black. I've already ironed the back, and I'm going to use my zip. This for allowance for zip, and I will place this one inside this way, and I will sew here. I will do the same here. Hold with pin. Then I will place this one inside here with 1/2 inch like this. So I will sew this way down here. After sewing, I will put it on for you to see how it looks like. I'm done sewing zip on the back, and I sew hook and eye. I sew hook and eye on the back. This is the back and the front. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you have any question concerning this video or any of my video you have watched, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.